Are you frustrated with CarPlay glitches in your Jeep Compass? Let's get you back on the road, connected and stress-free. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Sometimes, a simple update can solve most connection issues. Next, unplug your phone, then plug it back in using a certified Apple cable. Cheap or damaged cables are often the culprit. Still not working? Go to your iPhone settings, tap CarPlay, and remove your compass from the list. Then, reconnect it from scratch. If you're using wireless CarPlay, try turning Bluetooth off and on again, or restart your phone. Now, check your Jeep's infotainment system. Restart the system by turning your car off, waiting a minute and starting it again. Sometimes, a fresh reboot does the trick. If nothing works, check for software updates on your Jeep's system. You can find this in the vehicle settings, usually under System Updates. And remember, if your Jeep Compass CarPlay is still acting up, your local dealership or a certified mechanic can help. Now you know the basics to fix your Jeep Compass CarPlay issues. Get back to enjoying your drive.